What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making some spicy garlic noodles, doing everything on the griddle. So let's just let this water boil. We'll show you everything we got. Deliciousness. All right, so this water right here is getting ready to start boiling. Let's get these things in here. They're gonna take about 3 minutes. And then over here, these are the noodles that we're using. Some good stuff, they're kind of like ramen. Here's the sauce. I'll be talking about that in the video. And then we're gonna be throwing for our spice. We got 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper flakes. And then we're gonna be frying up some garlic and onion and garnishing with a little more green onion. All right, so we got some peanut oil I'm gonna put right over here. Decent amount. I wanna fry this stuff up. I'll be using this bad boy to keep the oil and everything over here that I'm frying up. These noodles are cooking up good. It's really hard to boil on this griddle, especially in the wintertime. It's super cold, but you see this stuff starting to fry or boil up. So that's going good. Keep this oil up here. Let's get these veggies going, or onion I should say, onion and garlic. So boom, we're just gonna put it right in here. Probably gonna need to put you down. All right, get all the stuff now. I don't want to burn this stuff. I just want a nice fry. Oh, that fresh garlic, that pressed garlic, smells amazing. So we're gonna get that stuff going. Let's get you out of the way over here. We'll just use this. Oh yeah, we're starting to get some nice color on that stuff already. I got my burners are on low over here. Getting some nice color already. That is, smells so good. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn these off because I do not need this stuff to burn. Ooh, buddy. Getting some nice color on there though. We'll just keep moving it around till this cools down a little bit. All right, so these are getting pretty close to being done. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of this sauce. I'm just gonna put a little bit in now so it starts cooking in the garlic and everything. But I'm gonna mostly save it for when the noodles are all done. Ooh, come on back, baby. I got soy sauce in here, sesame oil. There is some water in here, so it's gonna boil off. I got some starch in there. That'll help thicken things up. See how it's thickening up now? All right, now I got the noodles off. Those are done, they're strained. Got them sitting right here waiting. Let's get these 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper in here. We're gonna add a little bit more sauce. Just wanna make sure I got enough to mix in there. I got, let's turn these burners back on right here. Boom. Man, I wish you guys could smell what I got going on here. This smells so good. See how that cornstarch got everything nice and thick? My mouth's watering right now. Boom. It is a little hotter over here, so I'm gonna when I put everything together, I'm gonna put it over here. Ooh, baby, we're just about there. All right, we're gonna get these noodles down over here. Ooh, man, about ready to just get everything involved. I'm so happy. So happy about all these flavors I got going on. Now I don't know if I'll need all this sauce. So I got everything down in the description what I'm using. I don't know if I'll need it all, but get over here. All right, let's just get some oil over these things. All right. Let's just put it all in. See all that in there? So I like to do it like this because I like to put the one onions down first to get them real soft and cooked and all that good stuff. And man, I mean, we got all this sauce in here. I did use all the sauce, by the way. We got the more green onion for that. Oh man, I'm telling you, I mean, look at this, just all this goodness. Just, ooh, baby. All right, so we just let this stuff warm up for another hot second. Just gonna use my spatula. Let's just cut that in half. Boom. Half for me and half for me, because I don't think my wife's gonna like all the spice, but I'm gonna. Now, I got my plate here. Let's get this out of the way. Let's get that out of the way. Ooh, buddy. Let's get this stuff on here. Boom, just like that. Now this is probably enough to feed 3 people, but we'll see how that goes. All right, bring it. All right, let's give this a try. It looks really good. Now I've seen people do these type of noodle dishes with like ramen. Just don't put the seasoning in, just boil the noodles, that kind of thing. So it's real similar. Definitely spicy. I do like that. I feel like it is missing something. I know a lot of people with noodles, they put like sriracha, or some kind of sauce in there. Chili garlic sauce, this stuff too. You know what, I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Ooh, buddy. So yeah, there's tons of stuff you can do. You can add, you can, you know, put more veggies, you can put meat in there, whatever you want to do. I just wanted to do a quick little video for this because this is a real nice little snack. I like to take stuff like this for leftovers. Let's give this a try with that chili garlic sauce. I like that. That's good. I should have put that in. I'm gonna put some more in there off camera. Yeah, that's definitely good. All right, well, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And see you on the next one. Thanks.